go from this to this. Hey, my name is Melody, and I teach delicious keto recipes and easy tested kitchen hacks just like this. Today I'm going to be teaching you how to eliminate all kind of stains from pots and pans. First thing you want to do is get a whole lemon. Now, if you don't have a whole lemon, that's okay. Get some lemon juice. But if you've got a whole lemon, slice it evenly in half. And the whole purpose to slicing it evenly is so that way you have more skin to hold on to. So when you're cleaning, you get a good grip on the lemon and it's not slipping all over the place. The second thing you want to do is you want to add half a teaspoon of Dawn dish soap to extremely oily pans. Sometimes you could use a little bit less, maybe a 1/4, but for this case, we're going to use half a teaspoon. And to accompany that, I also use the Scrub Daddy and Scrub Mamas. They last such a long time. Those are the best sponges to use. Highly recommend them. You can find a link in the description below. But as soon as you get that, those two ingredients together, you want to then start scrubbing away. And you might notice that there's going to be some stubborn stains on a pan that just won't come off as much as you may scrub. Just have that solution of the soap, a little bit of water, and that lemon or lemon juice in that water for a bit. Let it soak for like 30 minutes and it's going to give you this result. So getting rid of oily pans this way is going to save so much money, and you can still use the peel to make your kitchen smell good after cleaning it with the pots. And you might be like, why? And how can I do that? Because it's kind of gross. It's all right. I'm going to share that in a second. But first, I do have a pressing question. How do you clean your dishes if they're super oily? A lot of people use different methods, and I'm just curious to see how you solve it yourself. And of course, you can drop a comment below so we can find out this awesome hack you've got. Now, here's the bonus tip that I promised you. We're going to use the remaining lemon peel to clean your sink for a fresher scent. And guys, it's unlike any smell that you'd have. You think you're cleaning with cleaner and you're not. So make sure that you also subscribe for our lemon hacks playlist that's going to be coming soon. We're going to be posting that probably within the next week or two, and I want you to get those hacks. But I'm going to tell you, lemon is great as a disinfectant. It kills mold, it kills mildew naturally, and then also it's something easily accessible. It's something safe you can have around kids, pets, and also seniors, right? So if you really want to have an eco-friendly type of home, maybe you want to save some money, you want an amazing smelling home, share this video with a friend so they can also reap the benefits. And of course, make sure you're watching the next video for our next amazing hack on how to clean a French press. See you in the next video.